All right, example 5. A painter leans a ladder against a vertical wall. The top of the ladder is 9 meters above the ground. So let's start off with the original picture. Here's the wall, here's the floor, and let's make the ladder red. There we go. Painter leans a ladder against a vertical wall. The top of the ladder is 9 meters above the ground. When the bottom of the ladder is moved 2 meters further away from the wall, the top of the ladder is 4 meters above the ground. Okay, so what I don't know is this, that how far it is away from the wall to begin with. I also don't know how long the ladder is. But it is a vertical wall, which implies that it's at a right angle to the floor. So the initial setup here by the Pythagorean theorem tells me that x squared plus 81 is equal to y squared. Just using basic properties of math here to create some equation relating to things we don't know, how far the ladder is away from the wall and how long the ladder is. Now, same wall, same ladder, but now we move the ladder 2 meters further away from the wall. So now the ladder looks like this. This is 2 meters further away, so it's x plus 2. It's now 4 meters above the ground. It's the same ladder, right? So it's the same length. All right, the ladder hasn't changed size. All right, so looking at that structure, x plus 2 squared plus 4 squared must equal y squared. And if I wanted to go ahead and simplify that, that's x squared plus 4x plus 4. The 4 and the 16 make a total of 20. So what I have here is two expressions that y squared equals, right? So what I can do a substitution easy enough here. Again, elimination might have worked except for this 4x. But since y squared equals and y squared equals, I can put this expression right here. That's going to get me x squared plus 4x plus 20 is equal to x squared plus 81. If I move the x squared to the left and the 20 to the right, x squareds cancel. I'm left with 4x on the left is equal to 61 on the right. So x is equal to 15.25 meters. Okay. What does x represent?
The length.
It represents right here, right? That's what x is. It says, what is the length of the ladder? We're trying to find out what y equals. So once we figured out what x is, I just have to put the 15.25 there. So 15.25 squared plus 81 is equal to y squared. So if I do 15.25 squared plus 81, comes out to that number. So y squared is equal to 313.5625. So therefore y would equal plus or minus the square root of that, and of course the ladder is going to be positive length. So square root of the answer is 17.71 meters. You must be painting some tall building here. Long ladder. Oh, round to the nearest hundredth of a meter even. I rounded the way they told me. That's good.
That's perfect.
I want to mess up with the rounding. So, but there you go. So that's the whole idea there. Using properties of geometry in order to create equations, and then once the equations are created, you solve your system equations like normal.